Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, your number one channel where I get solutions to all your solving problems. It's 9th Avenue in class again today. How have you been? On today's video, we are going to show you how to install some Python libraries, right? Good. And then we are going to use the command prompt to install those libraries using the pip. Now the pip is the package installer for Python, right? Good. You can use it to install some packages and libraries on before your Python project. So for you to get to this command prompt, you just type cmd on your Windows device, cmd, then enter, right? Good. So you come up to this command prompt. Now before we proceed, we need to check the version of Python that is being installed on our computer. So to achieve that, we just say python version, right? So we have Python 3.10.5, right? That's 3.10.5, right? Now we also want to know the pip version that we have, right? Good. Pip version. Good. So we also have this version of pip, right? Now before we also proceed, let us look at the list of installed libraries that we have. So we use the pip list. Now these are the packages that we have installed, right? Now for you to install some of these or maybe all of these packages, we are going to install about maybe 3 to 5 of them, and then they will be related to geospatial analysis, right? Good. So the first of which we are going to install is the geopandas, right? So we go pip install. We already have it anyway. You can see it somewhere around here, right? Good. So if you don't have it and then you want to install it via your cmd, then you go pip install geopandas, right? Now since it has been installed, the requirement is already satisfied, right? Good. So you can see that we have it installed. So if you don't have your own installed, you would see the installation prompt, right? So we are going to see if we can install one package that we don't already have on our pip list, right? Good. So let's see one. Let's go with r3, right? Good. So we say pip install. We have good. So you see the process defaulting to your installation because normal side package is not writable, then downloading, it has been downloaded, and then installing collected packages, and then it has been successfully installed, right? Good. So if we also list the versions or maybe the pip list that we have, we will definitely find r3 included. So let's still go. We have pip list, right? Good. You can see the r3 that we just installed, right? So we are also going to look at one other geospatial library that we don't have. Let's look at PyDeck, right? So we go with pip install PyDeck. Good. So successfully installed. So this is a very simple and easy way to install some geospatial libraries using the command prompt. Now let's still go back to some of those popular ones. We have geopandas and we have the r3. Now we can also look at Shapely, although we have it simply the same process. We have pip install Shapely, right? Good. Requirement already satisfied because we already have it installed, right? Good. So any other maybe geospatial library that you want to install, maybe to use on your Python, maybe to use with your Python, this is the way you can easily install it, right? We also have the matplotlib, right? Good. So we can still go pip install matplot library. So we have lib. So you can see already satisfied. So on today's tutorial, we have shown you how to use the command prompt on your Windows, cmd enter, to confirm the version of Python installed, the version of pip installed, and also to list the pips that are already installed, right? Good. And also to install maybe new ones that you don't find, maybe you can't find on your list. And subsequently, we are going to see how to import some of these libraries to our standalone Python or maybe any other Python environment we have, and then perform some geospatial analysis. So thanks for coming to class. We hope we have introduced you to, or we have shown you how to use the cmd, that's a command prompt, to install some geospatial Python libraries. They are not actually limited to geospatial Python libraries alone. You can use them to install other Python libraries as you would want to use for your tasks. So we are going to see you on the subsequent video. Ensure you keep staying safe and have a very good time. Bye.